man, Nitish Kumar, what makes him a brand that Bihar trusts? Remember, he arrived as the chief minister for the first time in November of 2005, and ever since has been in power, barring a 9-month period where he resigned and had given up that chair for Jitan Ram Manjhi.
मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति
सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
He's done it again, but this time the story is bigger than a swearing-in. Nitish Kumar's party, along with the BJP, has secured a landslide victory to form the next government in Bihar. And in a state where he has already helmed the top job for over 15 years, what stands out is this: anti-incumbency did not bite. Despite shifting alliances, political churn and a long tenure that would test any leader, Nitish remains a central force around whom Bihar's power equations still settle. Born in Bakhtiarpur near Patna, Nitish Kumar was an engineer by training, a product of Bihar College of Engineering, before he found his calling in politics. In the 1970s, as the JP movement swept across northern India, a young Nitish joined the campaign against the emergency, standing alongside other future stalwarts like Lalu Prasad Yadav and Sushil Kumar Modi. That movement forged the first layer of his politics of social justice with discipline, socialism without chaos. For years, he played cheerleader to Lalu Prasad Yadav until he broke away to form his own party, the Samata Party. It is the Samata Party which later evolved into what we know today as the Janata Dal United. The split wasn't just political, it was ideological. While Lalu's firebrand politics focused on social justice, Nitish represented Sushasan, which promised roads and schools. When Nitish first took oath as the chief minister, Bihar was looking for change and an end to the infamous days of RJD's Jungle Raj. Nitish promised a new beginning. Under him, crime rates fell, electricity reached homes. But as the national political tide shifted, so did Nitish's alliances. In 2013, he walked out of NDA and ended a 17-year-old alliance with the BJP. After Narendra Modi was appointed as the chairman of BJP's Lok Sabha election campaign committee, he said he was walking away to follow secular agenda. In 2 years, he had joined hands with his old friend and recent rival Lalu Yadav to form the Mahagathbandhan, a grand alliance that swept the polls in 2015.
विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
मैं तेजस्वी प्रसाद यादव ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
That alliance didn't last very long. Nitish Kumar left the Mahagathbandhan over disagreement with Lalu's RJD and went back to the NDA in August 2017, only to walk away again in 2022. With the Lok Sabha elections looming, Nitish Kumar joined hands with Congress's Rahul Gandhi and other opposition parties to form the India Bloc. But he didn't stay there for long either. He returned to the BJP fold in 2024.
मैं नीतीश कुमार सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञान करता हूं।
His political U-turns and alliance switches earned him the name Paltu Ram. But in Bihar's arithmetic, Nitish always managed to land on the winning side. across 40 years and many political turns, Nitish Kumar has remained the heart of Bihar's governance. As the next mandate unfolds, his journey moves into a new chapter that is shaped by alliance equations and a more demanding young electorate. Bureau Report, India Today.